Welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, the 9th of July. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which continues to fall away, continues to post negative candles. Seems as though intraday rallies are being sold into now. We had that sharp move to the downside on Friday on that payrolls report. Really did change expectations of where the market was at with regard to Fed rate cuts, I think, and subsequently the market is now pricing that all in. Technically speaking, euro dollar is under pressure increasingly now, having broken that uptrend channel. Such a decisive move and not really shown any real signs of a recovery. A test of that 1180 key reaction low from mid-June is now on. Now that key reaction low is, again, as I say, key in the fact that it is the higher low of the recovery. So if you now break that below that higher low, it really does flip the outlook decisively towards the downside again. 111.10 being that key support from throughout the second quarter of the year, really. And you look at the momentum indicators, MACD lines accelerating lower, stochastics accelerating lower, RSI around 40. That was the level at which in May we started to see the market finding a bit of support, but I'm not so sure about it this time. It's just dipping under 40 as we speak. So certainly if it broke below 1180, I think you'd see negative configuration across the board and market falling to the downside towards that low again. Now let's see here on the hourly chart where you've got the continued run of lower highs, lower lows. Old support becomes new resistance time and time again. 1265 actually on the daily chart is that old pivot line, and that is overhead supply now, and again adding into that on the hourly chart. So this is why we're seeing strength being sold into. You've got 1235 being yesterday's high, again leaving another lower high, falling below Friday's low, around that 12 big figure mark. So again, negative configuration across the hourly indicators. 55 to 60 area seems to be a level of where or even 50 level where the selling pressure resumes on the hourly RSI. MACD lines failing around neutral, stochastics turning lower. MACD lines also about to possibly bear across again. So it all pretty much adds up to selling into intraday strength on euro dollar and that pressure on 1180. So key levels none on the chart there. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can sign up to our webinar that I have this morning on our website, and please join me for that, where we'll talk about all things markets, and obviously euro dollar will be a part of that. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.